Hey everyone, it's Nate with Outside Cleaners. I'm here on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Did you know that statistically speaking, the average exterior cleaner in the US today, meaning the average guy doing what I'm doing, wasn't doing this work 4 years ago? And similarly, the average exterior cleaner doing this work today in the US will not be doing this work in 4 years. In other words, this industry as it stands today is a bit of a revolving door where people come in, they knock around a little bit, and they get out. As a result, there is a tremendous ongoing drain of knowledge and information that isn't passed along to the next generation or the next round of exterior cleaners. Set that aside for a second and consider another fact about this industry. Most of this industry in the US, and I mean like the vast majority of this industry in the US, is not big multi-truck, multi-employee, multi-location companies. The vast majority of the exterior cleaning industry in the US is like Outside Cleaners is, meaning it's like a mom and pop operation, or it's a guy and his son, or it's a guy by himself in a truck with a couple machines. That is most of the industry in the US as it stands today. So it's because of those two things that for the last couple years, one of my favorite parts of my job has been something I do a couple nights a week. I do paid phone consulting typically with cleaners that are newer to the industry than myself. We get on the phone, we schedule a time, we get on the phone, and questions are just fired at me. Where do you get this? What do I think of this? Have I ever used this? Have I ever tried that? How does this work? Whatever your questions are. And to be fair, I don't know everything, but to be fair, I know a lot. So this is something that I offer. I haven't really announced it in this format or forum yet, but that's what I'm doing now because I can see that it's something I want to do more of. I can see the need for it. It is something I need to charge for because my time is valuable and so is yours. And we're all in this to make a living. So if this is of interest to you, go to outsidecleaners.com/consulting. Enter your info. We'll set up a time some evening to talk and I'll walk you through it. I mean, come up with your list of questions and we'll go right through it. To be fair, I could sit next to Pedro Martinez and he could teach me, explain exactly how to throw a curveball, and I'd still have to practice a lot. So I can't wave a magic wand and make you as good of a cleaner as I am. It's going to take practice. And if you practice, you might end up better than I am. But knowing the steps or the methodology or at least what I do to get the results that I'm getting is going to be a huge benefit for you if you're new to the business. My specialty is cleaning exterior surfaces that are bare wood. Yes, we can talk about how to clean vinyl, hardy board, stucco, but honestly there's information out there that you don't need to pay to get that information. If you're in a market, especially in a market with, cedar roofing, mahogany or ipe decking, cedar decking, log homes, that type of thing, and you're new to the business, you might find it worth your while to give me a buzz and pick my brain for an hour. Anyway, love to hear from you. Hope that helps somebody. Bye-bye.